Hello students, so after completing the first problem, now let's start with the second numerical, which is based on applying the formula of logarithm of complex number directly on the given term. So let's see how to solve such type of numericals. So here we have to prove that log of 1 upon 1 minus e to the power I theta equal to log of half cosec theta by 2 plus I pi by 2 minus theta by 2. Now guys, to solve this problem, what I'll do is I'll first consider the left hand side and I'll expand the value of e to the power I theta. So here I'll write it is equal to, so log of 1 upon 1 minus e to the power I theta, it is log of 1 upon, so 1 minus, now guys we know that e to the power I theta is cos theta plus I sin theta. So here we have negative sign outside, so that cos theta plus I sin theta will become minus cos theta minus I sin theta. So this is the formula. Now what we'll do is, to get that answer, we'll simplify this first. So here we will get it is equal to log of, here 1 upon, now 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta upon 2 minus I sin theta is 2 sin theta upon 2 into cos theta upon 2. Now guys, from these two terms we can take 2 sin theta upon 2 common. So here we will get log of, and in the bracket 1 upon 2 sin theta by 2, and in the bracket from here sin theta by 2 will remain minus I cos theta by 2. Now guys, to get this answer, what I'll do is, here I'll apply the formula of log. So log of 1 upon x, so let's assume this as x. So log of 1 upon x is negative log of x. So by applying that formula, this will become negative log of 2 sin theta by 2 in bracket sin of theta by 2 minus I cos theta by 2. Now guys, here I'll keep this negative sign as it is, and in the bracket if you see, then there are two terms. One is 2 sin theta by 2 and the other one is this bracket, which are multiplying each other. So what I'll do is I'll apply the property of logarithm, which says log of a into b is log a plus log b. So by that property, here we will get this negative sign as it is, in the bracket log of 2 sin theta by 2 plus log of sin theta by 2 minus I cos theta by 2. So what I did here is I have applied the property. Now due to the negative sign, these two terms will become negative, so we will get minus log of 2 sin theta by 2, and here we will get minus log of sin theta upon 2 minus I cos theta upon 2. Now let's observe the question. So in the answer we want log of half cosec theta by 2. Now guys, to get this answer, what I'll do is, here we have a negative log, so let's assume this bracket as x. It means we have a value as negative log x, and just before 2 minutes I said that negative log x is always equal to log of 1 upon x. So that becomes log of 1 upon 2 sin theta by 2. So by doing this, this will become positive. Next, this 1 by 2 will remain as it is, and this sin theta by 2, so 1 upon sin theta by 2 will give us cosec theta by 2, and guys here we got the first term, that is log of half cosec theta by 2. Now let's find out the second term. So for that, if you observe carefully, then this is the complex number and outside that we have a log. It means we have to find out the log of a complex number, and for that we have a standard formula. So I'll apply that standard formula over here. So minus sign as it is. In the bracket we will get half log of first term square plus second term square. So that is nothing but sine square theta upon 2 plus cos square theta upon 2. Next, this is a log of a negative complex number. So that is why the middle sign will be negative by the formula, and into I tan inverse of y by x. So here this y is cos theta upon 2 and the x is sin theta upon 2. So guys, here I have just applied the standard formula. So now here by applying that we'll get log of, this term will become half cosec of theta by 2. Next, sin square theta by 2 plus cos square theta by 2 is 1, and log of 1 is 0 we know. So that is why this term will become 0. And here we will get minus and minus, that is plus I tan inverse of cot theta by 2. You can observe here that cos upon sin is cot. Now let's see the question. So in the question we want answer as I into pi by 2 minus theta by 2. So first term we already got here. Now here to get this answer, what I'll do is I'll convert this cot into tan, so that this tan inverse and tan will be cancelled. So first term as it is, and here I'll say I tan inverse, and here we have cot of theta by 2. So guys, we know the formula of cot in terms of tan, which is tan of pi by 2 minus theta by 2. So tan of pi by 2 minus theta by 2 is cot theta by 2. So I have replaced that formula. Now tan inverse and tan will be cancelled. So we'll get log of half cosec of theta by 2 plus I, and here we will get pi by 2 minus theta by 2. And guys, here we got the final answer. So I'm sure you understood the method of explanation. So guys, just follow the same method in the exam to get the answer. And one more thing, that is, don't forget to subscribe to Ekeeda channel, because then only you'll be able to get the latest updates or the latest videos of engineering mathematics and the other subjects. And guys, don't forget to share this work with your other friends, because we are really doing it to make better engineers of tomorrow. Thank you very much. Keep watching videos.